Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Sway to the 99. And definitely hit the subscribe button as I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. I do post Dollar Tree walkthroughs and hauls, 99-cent only store walkthroughs and hauls, and a budget meal. So that is what I'm doing today. And as you can see, I am wearing my pineapple apron. So if you are new here, I have a thing for pineapples. I love pineapples. And a really good friend of mine, RJ Olives, had sent me this apron. Let me show it to you guys. You guys haven't seen it in a while. You can see right there. So yeah, that is what we're going to be doing today. Well, we're going to be in the kitchen making a very delicious meal. And this was actually requested by one of my die-hard subscribers and viewer and just supporter of mine, Bobby Woods. Bobby, you had asked me to make some crepes, so I'm actually going to be doing that today. And I actually do have a very funny story time for you guys, so I'll share that with you as I am cooking. But trust me, it is very hilarious and it involves you guys, or kind of. So anyway, I'm going to be making crepes today, and I'll show you guys how to make it, and it's super easy. And best part, you can find all these ingredients at the 99-cent only store, or even if you are at Dollar Tree, you can pretty much find everything that I have here for the except of the produce. You know, at the Dollar Tree as well. So this definitely can be a very easy budget meal. So with that, let's get started. All right, and here are the ingredients, and don't mind some Christmas is still around. So for this, we are going to be using, the recipe calls for soy milk, but I actually wanted to switch it out and try oat milk. I've never tried this one before, so I'm really excited. Some unsalted butter, some salt, some produce. I did want to use strawberries, but unfortunately the 99 was out, so I figured, you know what, berries is totally fine. And of course some banana, half a cup of water, a cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and some sugar. And this, I don't know where I got it. It was free. I think it was one of those, like, it came in a basket or something. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to be using that as my topping. So you guys can see. And don't worry, if you are interested in doing this recipe, I will be including all of the ingredients and measurements down below. So with that, let's start mixing everything together. So the first thing we need to do before we do anything else, we need to melt 1/4 cup of butter. And what's nice about it is that it already has a measurement right there, so you don't need to overdo it. So what I'm going to do is literally take this and throw it in the microwave and melt it out, and then I'll be able to mix it in with everything else. Pretty easy. Ooh, and it smells good. Maybe butter shots, like Paula Deen. Oh, look, you can see my apron. So now to mix everything in together, this one should be pretty easy. So we're literally just going to throw everything in together. Then our milk, our butter, which it's funny because I didn't realize that butter in the microwave would get kind of creamy looking. I don't know. Maybe you guys knew and I didn't. One thing I forgot to show is that you do need to throw in just a little bit of syrup in here, maple syrup. We need, of course, some sugar. All right, I think that's good. And a pinch, there we go, of salt. And now, to mix everything together. Oh, here we go. Here's my whisk. I was wondering where it was. All right, now to mix everything together. I am super excited to be making this for you guys. The only thing I don't like about flour is that it easily gets everywhere. Ooh, but it already smells good. You know what? I'm going to improvise. I'm going to add a little bit of, if I can find it, here we go. A splash, you guys know me in a little splash of vanilla extract. This is totally optional, as I literally just thought about putting it in there. All right, now to mix it all in. Looks a little thick. Might need to add a little bit of water. All right, I'm gonna continue stirring, and then I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so I am back. What I ended up doing was I added a little bit more water, and what I forgot to do initially when I started mixing was to actually add the water, but even then it was still a little too thick, and you want for crepes, you want it to be very creamy like this. So I just added probably maybe another like 1/4 of the milk and just another splash of water. And to even it out, I did add just a little bit more of the pancake syrup just to make sure that none of the flavors were going to be washed down. So, all right, I think this is ready now. Time to get the pan ready for cooking. All right, so now let's get some of this batter deliciousness in here. That's good. Now you just want to swirl it around so it gets nice and evenly spread out. There we go. Kind of like a pancake. So just treat it as if it was a pancake, except you just want it to go even thinner. So you can see right there, I am just literally making a circle. There we go. I'm gonna let that cook for a minute. And then once it's ready, once it's nice and golden, you'll flip it over. And this is what happens when you try to be a perfectionist with your food. I was trying to make it a little thicker, and it's not working. So I think this one won't count. It's like making pancakes. You know, the first one is never perfect, but it does smell good though. So I'll give it that. Yeah, this one didn't work. I'm gonna try another one, but at least now I know that the consistency needs to be slightly not as spread out. But as you guys can see, the first one is always the test trial. All right, so for take number 2. All right, I think that is good. There we go. Just a tiny little, there we go. Perfect. And now, to spread it out around a little bit. And I learned my lesson, not too much. You guys can see right there. I'm gonna let it cook for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then I'll flip it over. But you guys can see it's starting to cook. And if you guys are wondering, this copper pan, I did get it at the 99-cent only store, and this is what I've said in previous videos. I absolutely love it, and as you guys can see, I do use it all the time, and it works perfectly. Just make sure you get the one with the metal handle, because you can actually also use this in your oven. So, but of course, always use caution. All right, so I'm gonna flip it over and bring you guys, actually, I'm gonna leave the camera right there. There we go. And yes, I still have my Christmas decor out. I do need to start to put things away. Oh my God, I don't know why I always get nervous. It's like flipping a pancake. I'm like, no, I want it to be perfect. Of course, nothing is ever exactly as you imagined. Come on, let's try to flip you over. Yay! I did it! Woo! And I just want to show you guys, this is what the first one looks like. You guys can see, it kind of looks like a tortilla, except it's a sweet tortilla. And then you guys can see right there, look at the consistency. It is very thin, so you want that exact consistency. You want it to be very thin, so that way you can fold it once you're ready to consume. All right, so as you can see right there, I'm making 3. I'm probably gonna make a few more, but I won't bore you guys with making the exact same thing over and over. So time for story time. Well, let me fix the camera. So I was literally on my way to the 99-cent only store to pick up the ingredients for today's cooking video. And I was hopping on the train, and as I was pulling out my card, my train card, it fell out. So I'm like, oh crap. So I bent out to pick it up, and no joke, my pants literally slipped from the back, and I'm like, oh my God. And I'm like, what do I do? I was so embarrassed. I'm like, I just want to go home, and I just don't want to go out right now. I'm just feeling embarrassed. And I was like, you know what? I need to get the ingredients for the video. So thankfully I had a sweater on, so I took the sweater off. And of course I had this underneath, and I tied it around my waist to cover. And as I was walking, I could feel the cut go deeper and deeper and deeper. So I was walking around the 99 with my sweater around my waist and just praying that it wouldn't fall off. So yes, you guys, I did go to the 99, with a cut in my pants just for you guys. So, all right, see, this is once ready. So, as you guys can see, I do pretty much anything for you guys because I did not want to disappoint you and not have this video go up as scheduled. So I was like, no, I need to go to the store, and I'm like, I will deal with it. So yes, you guys can make fun of me, but just know that I did it for you guys, because if it wasn't for anyone else, I'd be like, I'm canceling my plans. I'll do it another day. But for you guys, I did not want to disappoint you. So even with ripped up pants, I went to the 99 to get the ingredients to make this video for you guys. So, all right, let's continue on with the cooking. I'm so excited. We are almost done. I don't know why I just cut this like as if I was cutting up a plantain. But as you guys can see right on the side, my crepes are nice and warm and ready to be consumed. And I am ready as well because I am starving. As now that I can smell it, I'm like, oh, it's time to eat. Enough chatting. You guys can wait. I'm just kidding. Here we go. All right. I think, oh, almost cut myself there. All right. I think this is good. We have our berries right there. Wait to try this. Again, I don't know where I got it from, but it looks really tasty. All right. So now to prepare one of these beautiful crepes. There we go. So I think I'm gonna start it off with a little bit of this syrup. Ooh. Well, this is perfect. Wow. Oh, sorry, this thing is blocking. There we go. You guys can see right there. So I'm gonna throw in some banana. Go. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna fold it and then top it off with the berries. So I'm gonna make it like a nice little banana taco. Right there. Some berries. Okay, I think I'm gonna just use the berries as, maybe I will sprinkle some inside. And then wow, look at me being all chef-like. All right, let's go for another one. I think this time I'm gonna mix it up. And I'm gonna put some of the berries in here and some of the banana. Yeah, I'm basically trying to mix things up so it's not too repetitive. That berry, or that blackberry syrup is so delicious. Wow. Let's see. Here we go. Perfect. And I'm gonna move this one over slightly. There we go. And time for our toppings. This is really fun, you guys. You definitely should try this. Bobby, I know the twins will definitely enjoy doing this with you, especially putting it together. That is the best part. Wow. I'm actually amazed. I'm like wowing myself with this. And just a little bit more for good luck. And you guys can see right there, this beautiful, delicious goodness. Oh my God, these look so beautiful. I'm literally so proud of this, you guys. And it smells amazing. So I can't wait to give this a try. There we go, a little close up. There we go. One for the Insta. There we go. All right, so enough chatting. Let's give this one a taste test. Oh, wow. Oh my God. This is so good. Wow. It is like, it is literally probably like the best crepe I've ever had. And I'm not just saying that because I made it. I would never say that about my own food. but this is beyond delicious. I think what really helped it is adding the vanilla extract. And I think the syrup that I topped it off with is really good as well. So if I find out where it's sold at, I will definitely note it down below. Definitely 2 thumbs up. Bobby Woods, I'm telling you, the twins are going to love making this. And you guys would also love making this with your kids or just by yourself. And as you guys can see, it's a really simple recipe, and it is basically like making pancakes, except they're a lot thinner. And what's nice about it is you can really throw in any type of fruit that you'd like. Excuse me. One thing I almost forgot to say is I wanted to give a very special shout out to Doña Olives. Señora Olives, hola, ¿cómo está? Espero que esté disfrutando este video. Muchas gracias por estar mirándome en YouTube con su hija RJ Olives. Espero que se la esté pasando muy bien y gracias por todo su support desde Texas. Sorry. I just wanted to say hi to RJ Olives' mom. She watches me all the time and she always teases me like, why doesn't he ever speak in Spanish? So I just basically said hi, thank you for supporting me, and thank you for watching me with your daughter RJ Olives. And as I mentioned before, RJ Olives is the person who sent me this apron with my name, Swaits the 99. So she's a very, very sweet lady. Don't let her hard exterior fool you. But thank you so much for tuning in. I really enjoyed making this video. Before you guys click off, don't forget to check out the 99 Shopaholics on Facebook. Also, I do have a whole series of cooking videos that I've done for the entire year. So if you guys are new or if you haven't been watching me for a while, you can definitely go back and watch those videos. The video link will pop up right here somewhere in the screen. So thank you so much for watching. I will be back on Saturday for my usual walkthrough, and I may have a surprise video. I'm not quite sure yet. I may have a surprise coming up for you guys. I know many of you have been requesting this, so it may be coming back. So anyway, I will leave you with that. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. If not, I will see you on Saturday, so have a wonderful rest of your day. And don't forget to do the 99.